but I'm pretty sure they are exactly the same. Nice and solid.
With a reinforcer, look.
Yeah, well, only one reinforcer. Oh no, 2 reinforcers. Fuck. Fuck, mate.
Can we keep it to PG, please? We're on film now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, obviously someone did. That's why they put the film tag.
Happy Ben.
GSI Recaros. Much nicer. So, in case you're wondering why we're getting so many pieces out, this door card, the original door cards, had all collapsed, and someone's had a previous go at trying to do a repair, and I just thought it will be easier to get some more, and then we've got some nice new solid ones. They're not GSI ones, but I'm hoping they are exactly the same, and then we can retrim them in the GSI fabric. So I just thought it'd make your life a little bit easier.
A lot easier.
Rather than having to try and carry out a repair on a repair.
Yeah.
And this is reinforced, so hopefully should be nice and good. So we have actually got 4 door cards, or 8 door cards, but obviously you only need to use 4, so you can pick the best of out of the bunch.
Yeah. Times.
Another GSI Recaro.
Lovely stuff.
One rebench. Took about 4 hours to get this out.
Got there
Not
in the
really.
end.
Not really. The good thing about Corsas is you can literally strip them, probably strip it to pieces in about 15 minutes. Back part of the rear bench. I don't think we need these, no, but I thought I'd bring them just in case you want to nick any bits off of them, any clips or whatever. So, should we have a look at the fabric?
Let's have a look.
So let's have a look at the fabric.
I'll go and get the fabrics.
Where is it, on the bench at the back?
No, it's just underneath that.
Should we go to the bench at the back?
Let's go.
Let's go to the bench at the back. Oh, that's banging, isn't it?
Pops, didn't it?
Yeah, that is nice. What thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it should have foam on it. Yours is obviously
Oh,
collapsed
it's
with
worn,
time.
worn away, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, the UV this damages it, breaks all the foam down.
Yeah, smart. Mega smart.
I'd say that this is slightly darker, this black area, but because we're doing it all, it won't really matter.
Yeah, it won't matter, yeah.
It's the pattern that's unique.
Yeah, spot on. That will be nice. Fabric ever in it, being vauxhall, wouldn't it?
It's very, very dark, but it.
I like dark. One of the things I wanted to talk about is, can we dye the carpets and stuff? Is that doable?
Are they grey as well?
Yeah, they're grey, yeah.
Do they do any black in a standard?
Don't think so, no. I'm pretty sure they're all Corsa. But I thought you can get the dye to then...
Can get carpet dyes.
Yeah.
How long it lasts, I don't know. But
Okay.
it would look nicer.
Yeah. Kind of wanted to do the... And then it's got that horrible beige roof lining.
Okay.
But I don't want to go and do dark on the roof lining. That's why I didn't bring it.
Yeah.
Because then we're going to have them beige, hearing aid beige,
Plastic.
A pillar trims, B pillar trims and C pillar trims.
And it's all the clips as well, like sun visors and...
Yeah, yeah. So So I'm thinking just leave that light.
Yeah.
Probably just give that a good clean up.
Yeah.
And then do this dark, and if I can get the carpet dark,
Yeah.
because the dash is all black.
Yeah.
So yeah, the door cards, the bottom half of the door cards are all black. So that will be better. I'm assuming, is that like a genuine vauxhall fabric, but probably for something else that uses the same cloth, is it?
It does say opal. Where's that label?
Opal. Can I have a look?
Opal Corsa Sport 16 valve.
Okay.
So whether that's slightly different,
Yeah.
but they don't. That is the only one they do now.
They do. So, but in fairness, I like that. I prefer dark.
Yeah, and then we'll go black on the sides as well
Yeah.
to match that.
Yeah.
Black on the doors. It'll all tie
Yeah.
in and look.
The only other thing I've just thought of on the way here, I should have done the seat belts really, shouldn't I? Should I get belts brought up? Do them red. Yeah. I'll get some seat belts brought up. I messed up there. I should do the seat belts as well. So I'll get them stripped out. In fairness, I want to send Rob to film you doing it anyway, so I can get him to bring them up with them.
Yeah, we'll do the belts at the same time.
Yeah, perfect.
Happy day.
We'll take a sample.
Yeah, can do. Yeah, take a little sample of black, just a little bit. What do you reckon? Black with the red or full red? Let us know what you think, guys.
I mean, I always look at them anyway, but I was like, I'd love
Have
it.
you seen how much they're going for now?
Really?
Yeah. It's like stupid. One sold the other day, grey one, and granted it was mint, I think 70,000 miles.
Is that £8 that?
No, that was the nice one sold for 12.
Yeah.
And then there's like a tatty one for £8 that needs like loads of work and restoration. Like it's kind of.
I was saying to David, the thing that blew my mind is when I traded my Corsa Sporty for a Civic,
Yeah.
you can get a Civic cheaper than a fucking Corsa Sport now.
Oh yeah.
It's
probably
mad.
that. Yeah.
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 But give it time. Then the first gen Civic Type R, which is what he's got,
Yeah.
well,
My
Nah.
EP,
no, there's too many of them out there, isn't there?
No, they will never. Don't like. We
Don't big Rob up.
we got a whole team of JDM at work. Do you know what I mean? Like it's kind of like JDM. Do you know what I mean? Like we just need to tell everybody that those Civics, sell them now,
Yeah.
scrap them,
they
get them gone.
There's a new scrapping
They've got no
scheme.
seal on them anyway. They'll all be rotted out.
They
won't
rot away. Yeah,
Yeah, they'll be gone.
yeah.
Don't I just know?
He does know. He does know. He's got a little bit of rust. The Corsa, one little bit of rust underneath the driver's seat, probably kind of that big. So we've just done a nice repair on that. Apart from that, it was mint, spot on.
You garaged all this life.
Probably has. Yeah. There's been I had a guy message
In your
me.
garage, someone else's garage.
Yeah. I had a guy last night, it's a true story, I put on Facebook, one of the Corsa owners clubs on Facebook last night.
club?
There's a club, 13,000 members, so I don't know.
Whoa.
They must just like the Corsa GSI, so I put on the Facebook page, as I want to try and sort the rear disc conversion.
Oh wow.
And there's some people used to say that the Corsa C ones would fit and stuff, so I put up there, and the guy messaged me, he was like, Reg, isn't this by any chance, is it? And I was like, yeah, why? I was thinking, like, do I reply to this or not? And he was like, oh yeah, I started that project, I think, like 4 years ago. And he sent me a load of pictures of when he started it all. Like, so it's probably been a project on one of these ones that's never ever going to get finished. So, but hopefully we can get it, well, we've got to get it done. I can't, do you know what I mean? I've told everybody, it's got to be there at max power. Classy.
Because the stripe, the seat, the pattern, it's just a little bit of red flash, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know, I just reckon the red might pop as well though, isn't it, I suppose. But then, saying that, will it pop as much against the grey? Because obviously it comes through the B pillar trim, doesn't it? And the C pillar trims, maybe.
You still see it in the back.
That'll look smart in there. I reckon.
More classy. Yeah. Take these back. No, we can ask the others. We can ask the others as well. And what would you like to see in it? Maybe the black with the red is a safe option.
They look the same, mate.
A bit disappointed. They don't look any different, Dave. A bit saggy.
Yeah.
Is that the best you can get them?
Yeah, honestly, mate, it's the best we could do.
Yeah. For the £50 budget.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't actually seen it yet. No, I only seen pictures.
I was just giving the runners another wipe over, get the dust off. Bring the back up.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
That is very, very smart.
Alright.
How you doing, mate? All right?
You like Martin?
Very smart.
I put a couple of new plastic trims on there. One was missing, wasn't it? Remember?
Oh, okay.
And one was broke.
Did you find them, did you?
Yeah, you buy them.
Really? Got from a car wreck?
Yeah.
Nice.
One of the levers as well, that weren't working.
You got back to black them and stuff as well, or the other ones?
No, there's 2 new ones on there, but the other ones are as they are.
Quite tidy, isn't it, still? Mate, I'm so glad you've done that now.
All the black.
Yeah.
They were fucked.
Really?
Bill's floor, look, that's where he's cleaned that, but that was all the crusty dust.
Yeah. Yeah. So I generally didn't think. I thought you'd probably just do the centres.
So what happens? The material's 3 layer, you've got your top, your bottom, and then there's the foam.
Yeah.
Your original covers,
Yeah.
all the foam just turned to dust and, like gummy, sticky dust as well, and that's what's on the floor.
So good. So smart.
You putting different belt buckles on? Or are they going on? Are they off the donor seats? Or
No, these are off of the.
okay, let me give me a wipe over.
What's that like? Just
Just an upholstery cleaner,
cleaner.
but it's aggressive enough to get shit like that off.
Yeah. It's like hand cream and stuff like that, I suppose, isn't it? And dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't even the picture I see was just of him when it was laid out, so I've not seen it built up. It looks so smart. Oh, what's that do? Just get any little crinkles out?
Any last little ones, yeah. A bit like unshirt, isn't it?
Yeah. I suppose it will naturally, as you sit in it and stuff, it will stretch into where it needs to be anyway, won't
It
it?
will all relax, yeah.
Yeah.
But this just refines it that little bit more.
I think it does something with the focus, maybe.
Hocus pocus focus.
Yeah. It does. Right, look at that now, and then watch it as the Dave blurs out.
Looks the same to me.
No. When I used to do professional photography and social media,
Let's have a look.
so you can see the Dave trimmers there. Do you know what I mean?
Professional.
So I get £50 off the bill every like that Dave gets. So the more likes we get, we need to get the Dave the trimmer in. Do you know what I mean? This is class. Some of these shit ones.
get like a red stripe beer can in the engine bay somewhere, don't you? It's a red stripe car, isn't it?
I don't know if I'm really into that.
No?
No.
Do you not like Jamaican lager beer?